Hey, it's your girl QG. Yep, that's right, Queen of the Granite Knights. All right, so I just got my package in today, and honestly, I don't even really know what it is. I was being real. I get so many different packages that come in, and this one doesn't even really have a name on it that I recognize. So therefore, I truly don't know what it is. As you can see, it's not open. Have no clue. I'm thinking it might be some t-shirts that I ordered, but I truly don't know. So I figured, why not open it up with you? You never know what could be in these things. I remember when I did one of my other unboxings and it ended up being an issue with one of the clothes, and y'all got to see that with me in real time. So let's see what this is, because I truly don't know what it is. All right, so let's take a gander and let me see if it's even what I think it is, which is some t-shirts. I really wonder if that's what it is. Okay. Oh, okay. Even better. Okay, so this is from Shapellx. I think that's how you say it, Shapellx. And it's basically shapewear. So that's what this is. Okay, I guess I'm shocked because it came a lot quicker than I thought that it would. So, okay. So we have this. I think that this is the waist wrapper. I'm not going to try it on right now, but I'm definitely going to do a review on it because I've been looking for new shapewear for a while. So far, the only thing that I wear are Spanx. I've been looking for something new, and hopefully this will do me well. Now, upon opening this, it does have a weird smell to it. I guess it's just that brand new smell, you know, but this is what it looks like. When doves cry. It has a very strong smell. So, okay, as you can see, this is very, very long. And this is Velcro. This is Velcro. Yes, extremely. It's still going. Okay, so, yeah, it's very, very long. And I've never had one of these before. These is one of those belly wraps. This is one of those belly wraps. I've never tried it before. So, whenever I do put this on, that might be hilarious to see because I've never used a wrap for shapewear before. So, okay, I'm really looking forward to that. But, okay, so, yeah. So, I'll be trying that on at some point. I don't even know how to put this thing back together. Okay. I'm probably going to have to give a tutorial on how to do it once I found out how to do it. But, okay, so we have that. And then we have, let me see which one this is. Okay, so the smell on this one there isn't a smell on this one, thank goodness. Okay, so this one, you can see that it has straps to it. I've never had shapewear that like a full body one. I've never had one of those. I've always just had the shorts one that you pull up to your belly. But this one seems like it's going to come up to the boobs. And it has a booty lifter. Now, I don't know if y'all been paying attention, but your girl got some rump cakes on her, right? So I don't think I need much lifting in that area. But you know what? You never know. This might actually help and make me look even better in the clothes. Who knows? But yeah, it has some ruching in the booty cheek area. Hopefully my booty cheeks can even fit in this, because upon looking at it, I don't know. It has a zipper. Okay, so it has a zipper. I've never had that before. See, with Spanx, it has an opening in the crotch area. So for whenever you need to go to the bathroom, just being real, you're supposed to pull that thing to the side and let it flow. Okay, so I'm used to just having the big old gaping hole in the middle. Whereas with this, when you want to go to the bathroom, you just unzip that puppy and let it flow. All right, so okay, uh-oh. Okay, if you got a pee real bad, you're going to be in trouble because, as you can see, the zipper is stuck. Okay. Uh-oh. All right, so I'm going to have to figure out, because, yeah, like I said, if this is on and you really got to pee, the zipper keeps getting stuck, and I don't want it to break. And it's definitely stuck. So I'm going to keep working with this. Like I said, I've never tried this company before. I've never tried. Okay, here we go. Okay. So you got this whole area right here for your nether regions to release yourself when you need to, when you're out in public. But yeah, never tried this company before. I've heard good things about them, so I'm, excited to try for myself. And I'm gonna give y'all a review. I'm going to do a video where I try it on for myself and then let y'all see in real time what it's looking like. So, okay, I want to thank you. I still can't get it together, but yeah. But I want to thank y'all for watching my unboxing, and come back to see what this is looking like in the next video. Okay, bye.